Impulse is a change in momentum of an object. The object is acted upon by a net force during a time interval. Like momentum, impulse is also a vector quantity. By rearranging Newton's second law, where force equals mass times acceleration, we get the formula mass times velocity equals force times time. As you can see, the left side is equal to the change in momentum, whereas force times time is actually the impulse. With that, the formula for impulse is IMP equals force times time, where F is the net force on an object measured in newtons, T is the time interval on which the force was exerted measured in seconds, and IMP is the impulse measured in Newton seconds. Calculate the impulse of the baseball hit by the racket if the net force is 85 newtons during a span of 1.1 milliseconds. What is the impulse? Oh, and make sure to convert to the right units. By plugging the values into the given formula, we get that the impulse is 0.0935 Newton seconds, but with the proper sig figs, our final answer is 0.094 Newton seconds.